Hi guys, good morning. You are welcome to my channel. I'm Smart Modest. Today I'm talking about the coding part of LCM translation problem of the least cost method. So before follow this video, if you see the previous parts once, the theory part of translation problem of least cost method, that you can clarify the coding parts here. So here's only talking about the MATLAB coding part for transplantation problem of a least cost method. So here the three lines 2, 3, 4 clear all, close all, and seal for clearing all variable and close all the prefers that and seal and clear the windows. And it is a given matrix. Okay, cost matrix defined it's by A, and line 8 is given supply for 6 8 ends, and the given demand is 4686, and in line 11 is initialization of the cost, and here our cost is initialized with 0 of y. Here y is the cost and it is initialized with 0. Okay, so now come to the main loop. First it is checked whether it is the empty supply or empty demand or not. As he already told in the first lecture, that's if the demand and the supply is 0, then minimum cost will be the mean of matrix. Minimum of the matrix. The matrix lowest element is the cost. So first we discover the matrix minimum elements, and it is done in two steps. Mean of m is equal to mean of a. Minimum of a stored in a m, and it is column wise traced the minimum element in the matrix of a. After that, n is equal to mean of m. Columnized minimum matrix that I got and m, whose minimum stored in n, which is a single element. The initialization of the position first. Default initialization I is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. After that, we find the a is equal to ends and positions of the ends. The minimum element in the matrix of A and its positions. Okay, now find the minimum supply and demand. So here the minimum supply and demand, both of them, we find the minimum of which one. Okay, and this minimum value is stored in x. Supply and demand minimum, which is assigned with x, and updation cost is the rule of y is equal to y plus x into n, where y is the cost and y, first y is equal to, after that first y values of 0, because we assigned here the y values of 0 here. Okay, and x into n, where x is the minimum of supply and demand, and n is the minimum of the minimum element of the matrix A. Okay, and checking x is equal to the supply or demand and detection and subtractions. So first achieve what the minimum we find. The x is from supply element or it is for demand element. If it is supply element, so we do for an if statement. If it is supply, x is equal to supply I of 1, it is from supply, then a of I1, and all is to estimates all the columns is assigned with null, should be null, and supply of I, it also should be null. Okay, and demand would be updated. Demand g of 1 is equal to demand g of 1 minus of x. It is the demand updation rule. The same case, after the same procedure, we do for also this one, do for also demand case. Here it's also demand case for demand. If the minimum number, minimum of demand and supply is from demand, then all of the row and g of 1 should be assigned with null, and demand g of 1 should be null. and supply I1 is equal to supply I1 minus of x. It is the supply updations rule. Okay, and it is the end statement, and it is the while loop, and it is the end statements. So uh, if you run these programs, you can find the minimum cost of from here. See, if you do that also, this one, I mean, we want to display the results of this way. Display list cost of the given matrix is display of y. I mean, first display statement display the statement will be displayed. After that, display of y should be y, values of y should be displayed. Like check it out. Go to the command window and see the path. Path is already this one. So before that, type the expressions, then type the your program names. Program name is list cost methods. Enter and see the output. List cost method of the given input matrix is 28. Even though you can change in this there m n or other themes in this program, so whole program as units when okay, and you can do it in the different as well also. If you don't want to display the result in this way, then you can't do it in other ways also. Because you save it and you go to here and programs names of this one. Before that, CLC, and you type your program names in this one. Okay, uh, and after that, type the cost function, where the cost function is defined by y. So I'll type y and press enter. So y is equal to 28. What is y? Y is the list cost. This way you can also show you results. Okay, notice one thing: your editor window path and the command window path should be same. Okay, so remember one thing, please subscribe my channels and like your options for get more and more updates. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.